A tweet eventually blew the mystery wide open.
At the end of the day, the video has been proven to be definitively fake. Online sleuths uncovered tweets from the actress playing Nikki from the tutorial. Her name is Nikki, and she proudly tweeted about her role in the movie in June of 2014. Apparently, the tutorial was a promo for the 15 experience, which is a short film and web series. The found footage is fake, and the story of a mysterious paranormal mansion is fictional.
Some viewers find the tutorial laughable.
While many viewers reacted with terror to the clip, a lot of people found it laughable. They found the special effects obviously fake and the entire premise corny. Not to mention, anyone who has watched a makeup tutorial knows fairly quickly this woman doesn't offer very professional tips and speaks in such an exaggerated tone to seem like someone who is clearly overacting. Perhaps meant to induce terror, the video succeeded in also making skeptical viewers giggle.
The tutorial was never presented as a legit tutorial, just found footage.
The video's description presents the footage as genuine, reading, "This video was sent to me anonymously. I do not have any information beyond that. It's up to you to decide if it is real or fake." While some may find this eerie message an indication of authenticity, others are not so sure. It can also be read as a cheesy hoax or promotional material for a film.
The YouTube page does not indicate the footage is fictional.
Part of the reason the video was convincing for some was the YouTube channel accompanying it. The channel maintains the narrative that a mysterious hacker uncovered found footage via 15 IP addresses. The About page does not identify the project as a film or other creative endeavor. All the found footage on the evidence section of the page is presented as real, and no actors or actresses are credited.
Some raise their eyebrows at the dubious special effects.
Internet commenters with some knowledge of special effects aren't buying it. The sound of the woman smacking her head on the keyboard sounds more like someone beating on a garbage can. When she tilts her head back, this may be a means to hide the blood pack producing the fake gore. This has led some online sleuths to conclude the video is the work of a subpar makeup artist trying to get noticed.
Some speculate Nikki is suffering from mental illness.
Some people believe the video is authentic, but don't buy the demonic possession theories. Internet sleuths wonder if the woman is actually mentally ill and whether she was suffering some kind of breakdown during the video. They reckon the reason she has not resurfaced is due to mental illness, not satanic energy.
The tutorial was supposedly released by a hacker in 2014.
The tutorial was supposedly released by a hacker in 2014.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.